All right, guys, today I want to show you a 1 minute to 5 minute scalping strategy for options trading, right? Stock options, specifically SPY, QQQ, some larger stocks as well, like Tesla and Apple. I find this strategy works very well. This does also work across various assets. However, I'm going to be covering it specifically for stock options in this video. If you guys didn't know, I mainly trade cryptocurrency. That's what I've been trading. That's what I know the best, but I'm definitely taking a liking into options trading. And this is something that I use in crypto, in Forex, and it works amazingly well in stock options. So this is a way to become literally consistently profitable. And you guys can actually go back yourself and back test this and just see how powerful this is. So for the strategy, right, we're actually not going to be using any support or resistance, which is weird because normally I have you guys use support or resistance. In this strategy, we're actually not going to be using any of that. We're going to be using fib levels. This uses the 0.5 and the 0.618 on the 1 to 5 minute time frame. And for more confirmation, we're going to be using the easy algo buy and sell signals as our basis for entry. Now we're going to turn the sensitivity down to 1.2. All right, so 1.2 is going to be our sensitivity, and this will dictate when we enter and exit our trades. All right, so if you don't have easy algo already, be sure to click the first link in the description below. We have a ton of huge updates coming soon, so definitely be on the lookout for some updates in the near future. All right, so the first thing we want to do is identify the trend, right? So usually around market open, you'll get a pretty large move and then a retrace, right? And I think we actually got it on this move as well. So what we're going to do is go to the previous swing high, all right? And we're going to draw a fib from that swing high to the previous swing low. And you might be wondering why I didn't draw it to this swing low. Well, you actually can draw it to this swing low, but this fib is invalidated as soon as price breaks these lows, right? We have a break of structure and now we have lower lows. So now this fib is invalidated. So I'm going to be waiting for the next reaction, which is somewhere around here. I'll actually go into back test mode just to show you guys once more. So as soon as price has reacted from around this level, we're going to draw the fib to this swing low. And we're going to be looking for a reaction off of the 0.5 or the 0.618 level. So I can actually get rid of the 0.65. So what we'll be waiting for is for price to come up to this zone and get a sell signal off of this zone, which would be our entry. So we literally just missed that 0.5 level. But because we had such a bearish candle, I'm counting that as, a basis for entry. I can also see we have a swing failure of these candlestick wicks over here. So it looks like a good short position for me. There's a few ways you can enter the trade. You can enter off of this mild sell signal here on easy algo, or if you want more confirmation, you can wait for the easy algo sell signal on the candle that follows. We actually don't get the signal until this candle. So that would be the basis for our entry. Now we'd be targeting the 0.5 level of this move right here. So let's, for example, say you entered on this mild sell signal, you'd be targeting this 0.5 fib level from this swing low down here to this recent swing high. And you can see we hit our take profit. Now we can actually do the same thing on the way up. So we can look for long positions from this zone with a buy signal coming out of it. And there we have our buy signal on easy algo. Now we did get a mild buy signal here coming out of the zone, which could have been your basis for entry and you would have got stopped out on that trade. But for the most confirmation, we're going to wait for these buy signals here on easy algo, right? And you'd probably get out right around here because we have an easy algo mild sell signal and we're up a pretty good amount. And literally we just had the same move just now, right? We can draw that 0.5, 0.618 level. You can see we had a buy signal off of the zone. You can enter the call position and exit here on these mild sell signals. We can actually do it the same way back, right? We have the sell signal here on easy algo. We're going to draw from this previous swing high to the swing low, trading with the trend, right? Because we made a lower high, so we're trading with the trend. And look, we have a sell signal right off of this zone on easy algo, and you'd be targeting these candle lows, which we actually hit right here. So you can see just how powerful this strategy is for yourself. It's not always going to hit the zone, but when it does and you get a good reaction, chances are the trade is going to go your way. Now, you could also do this on the 5 minute time frame. I like to do it on the 1 minute time frame for options trading, but that's my personal preference. If you guys find it's easier on the 5 minute, you could do it on the 5 minute as well. It also works on stocks like Tesla. As you can see here, we had this strong push up, came back down, rejected off of this 0.5 fib level. If you want to be a little bit more ballsy, you could enter calls right here off of this bullish candle off of the zone. zone, or you could wait for that easy algo buy signal, which is right here. And that is where you can start to enter calls targeting this candle high right around here. Again, this is from this morning, right? We had this huge gap, came down, didn't fill the gap completely, came back up right into this 0.5, 0.618 zone with a sell signal to fill the gap. If you get a play like this, guys, with a gap, I mean, really, it's game over. You can see Tesla dumped from this sell signal almost 5%, right? I think at its peak, it might have dumped around, over 5%. So that's absolutely insane, guys. So we had this gap created. We came back up, tested the zone with that easy algo sell signal, and price came down. Well, that's the strategy, guys. I try to make it as simple as possible. You won't find videos like this on YouTube. I promise you, like, there's no videos actually explaining, how to do this, right? And how to trade with the 0.5 and the 0.618. There's a ton of crap out there on the internet that's not true. This is a proven, tested strategy, especially if you get a gap like this and you come back down to fill it. Testing that 0.5 level with a sell signal, guys, it's game over. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.